Imagine transforming your workspace into a haven of productivity. It starts with decluttering. Disorganized desks, cluttered corners, scattered supplies. Recognize these? It's time to transform common areas into productivity zones. Every corner of the office has potential. Repurpose underutilized spaces and encourage innovative uses of common areas. The future is digital. Convert your physical files, enhance data security, and say goodbye to misplaced documents. The power of labeling goes beyond mere organization. When everyone knows where things belong, efficiency follows. Continual tidiness requires leaders. Designate champions who are passionate about maintaining a decluttered workspace. Organizing isn't just about tidiness. Ensure confidential documents are stored securely, protecting both your team and clients. A tidy office is a shared responsibility. Cultivating a sense of ownership among team members is key to lasting change. Ready for a transformation? Click below to explore our specialized office cleaning services and more.